Hello guys, it is the Crazy Gamer 8 here, and today I am bringing you a big tutorial, the biggest one I've done so far to date. This is how to get the best quality possible with your EasyCap DC60 or DC60 Plus. It doesn't really matter which capture card. I have the DC60 Plus, so if you have the DC60 your quality won't look as good because this is a more expensive capture card, but depending on whichever one you have you'll still get great quality out of whatever you paid for. So first of all you need to go to the description and download everything that I've put. It's Virtual Dub is the first one, which is the program you will need, and then the second one is a compressor which you will need to make the saving much quicker and the video much better in total. So when you have loaded up this program you need to click on File, then Capture AVI. Make sure your capture card is all plugged in. Now I can see here is my Gears of War 3 on my Xbox. You probably won't be able to see it because my screen recorder doesn't record it for some reason, so sorry about that. But anyway, you'll be able to see what options I need to do anyway. So first of all you need to go on File and Set Capture File right there. Oh, there we go. And then you just put it as whatever, so I'm just going to put it as test. So then that's what it's going to be called and that's where it's going to save. And then your device should be USB 2861 device or SMI grabber device. It may be them two, just depends whichever one, but you should know because it's of your video being on there. Then you need to make sure your video is on preview so that you can see it, and then you need to video source is either on composite or S video depending on which one you have. Also S video and composite will also choose which like make it better quality or worse quality. S video is better, so if you have S video then you will get better quality. If composite then it won't be as good. Capture pin, just copy all this apart from that bit there which I need to change for you now. So before you go on to that, I guess you need to go into capture filter, video capture filter, then you need to change this to NTSC 433 and you need to apply it. Okay, so this will make your capture card go into colour right there. And if you're using the DC60 Plus, NTSC 433 will make it go to colour for the Xbox, and PAL-B will make it go to colour for the PlayStation 3. So now you should get it in colour, but obviously you can't see mine. You can have cropping if you like, so you can make sure it's all cropped out nicely. And I already have done that. And then video, you can have a compression if you want to, but I don't have any compression at all. Capture, and then your timing, and then if you want to just pause it and copy that. Okay, then so once you've copied that, you click OK, and then you're ready to start. So what I'm going to do is start a match on Gears of War 3. I know you can't see it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a game of about 10 seconds in a private match of Gears of War 3, and then you'll be able to see the quality at the end of it. So we'll just wait for that. So make sure you have this set capture file, you've selected this as your device, you've got preview, your video source is selected, your capture filter is NTSC 433 or PAL-B, you can crop it, you can put a compression on if you like, and your timing you copied, and you must have preview. Right, I'm going to capture this now. So you click on capture, capture video. So now I'm just playing a little game in Gears of War 3, so I'll just do a couple of seconds so you'll be able to see it at the end of the video and how good it is. And then once you finish you click on capture and stop capture, and that's it. So I'm just going to leave my game. There we go. So once you've done that you can file and exit capture mode. Now you're back to the main screen you were on before. So now you click on file, open video file. You need to find where you just saved that video. So for me it was test.avi and where I saved it. So click on that, and then you should have two screens. Now you will be able to see Gears of War 3. So you have two screens and it might be confusing for you. All you need to do is right click on the one on the left and click on 6%. The reason being is because the small one there is what it will look like before, and this one is what it's going to look like after you've edited it. So it's mainly just keep this one on because then it will work. And once you've done that, you need to like just drag the bar all the way to the end, and then click on this button here. So then it's selected all the frames for you, so when you've edited it. Okay, so once you've done that, you click on video, and then you have a compression. Now you have DivX 6.9.2 codec. Mine says 2 logical CPUs. Your one might be different, it just depends, but make sure you have that as your compression to start off with. Next you go onto video and filters. Now this is where all the major editing comes in. This is why Virtual Dub is the best program for an EasyCap. You click on filters and add. Next you go onto deinterlace right there, then click OK, and copy all this so you just have the top one of each section. So click OK again, add, and then you can add a null transform if you need to crop. If yours is fully cropped, you will not need to do this. So as mine is fully cropped, you do not need to do this, and you move on to the next one, which is resize, and you click OK. Now first of all, you need to follow my mouse here. So you click on disable right there, then absolute pixels, and then change this to 1280 by 720, so it looks just like that. Click OK, and just check it out now. Click OK, and then it should get big. So you just zoom out a little bit, right click, and there's your resize. So it'll be 720p HD. As you can see, the quality looks amazing so far, but it gets better. So we're going to click on video, back onto filters, add, go to the bottom, then find sharpen. Click OK. Now I have mine on 16. You can show preview if you like on how it's going to be, but I don't bother, so I'll just get rid of that. I normally have it 16 or 30 depending on which game, so you just test them out, 16 or 30, and then depend on which one you want, which looks best, then you click on that. So click OK, and then OK again. So that is your video right there completed. So what you need to do now is file and save as AVI, and then save it again. So I can call it test2, and I'll put it on my desktop. So what it's now doing is going to save. So once this bar here comes off, your video is completed. So hope this guys helped you. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Share it, and I'm now going to show you the quality of what it looked like right now. So hopefully you like it, and please subscribe, like, it would really help me out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.